Okay, so something in Canva that I use a fair bit, and it definitely helps with getting things aligned, are the guides. Now you have to go into your settings and make sure that you've actually turned guides on up in your file settings, depending on which version of Canva you're using. I'm using the desktop version. But what it does is, if you look through these pages of a reel, you might be wondering, how did I get all of those? They're very, very slightly different because I freehanded it, but how did I get all of those circles to be in pretty much the same spot? This little thing called guides. So if I click on here, check out all these extra lines I've put. Now you've got your normal ones, which if I grab any of my elements there, if you take anything close to the edges of your page there, you'll see those pink ones turn up all around the edges. They're actually a really nice guide if you are, just doing something up fairly quickly and you want to stay in what we call a safe zone. Or if you just want to keep things nicely aligned and centered one side to the other. Now you'll also usually have a center one pop up if you hover over center. But what I've done here is to make sure that my text at the top, my heading text at the top, is at the same spot on every page. I made a new guide. So all I did was right click, guides. I added a horizontal guide. See, it's added a purple line there, and I can move that around to wherever I want. And then if I wanted to, put something else on the same spot on every page here in the center, I can center it to that guide there, or I can center it to that guide there, whichever one I like. And you can also do other guides just to let you know where other parts of your page are sitting. So along here you'll see I've got where the top of my circle sits and where each side of my circle sits. Hope that helps. Bye.